Hazvina kumira zvakanaka muri yeZimbabwe. Tauya tadzoka zvekare isusu vabhemi vemhiripiri kuti tionesane kuti zvakamira sei. Handiti onza most of the times unongoti iwe unenge uchingovava kumbotoroka mbokulawo tomonzwa nyaya yakakula. Handenge zvitira kuti musarare because rinotarisa vanhu vanotaura vakachikula kula dzacho dzopisa dzisingachanakidzi. Tinoda kuzonzwisisa kuti what exactly is going on. Tichipinda munyaya because chakanakira kupinda munyaya unosara unenge kunzwisisa. Right, izvo nyaya iri panapa ikutinzi pane chikwata pane meeting yakaitwa na advocate Nelson Chamisa panonzi paLeland Lodge in Bulawayo. So pakuitika kwemeeting iyi pari kunzi Gift Osterlos was not in the meeting. Saka pakazoitika chikwata because Chamisa akanoita that meeting na angana kwa Mamuna Chibaya handiti. So kanzi kwakazoitika chikwata chachakuita noise banzi kuti timu rimwe rikuti timu rikwani rikwa Osterlos rimwe rikwa Chibaya yato clash yanga kutoitika ma supporters because obviously ungazinoti yo zviri kuitwa pa home ground pako and you were not part of the meeting. Zvinhu zvinokuti zvinonetsa ivo pachawo vanogona vachizivana ma reasons because umwe pamwe anogona mwari kubasawo or ma business deals or whatever zvaanenge achiitawo ikoko oro pamwe asitombori munyika kana kuti pamwe anga akatorara zvake padeni pake zviri pa2 aungazvinzwisise or maybe anga asina need yekunge anga arimo meeting macho. So pari kunzi a meeting at Leland Lodge in Bulawayo held ahead of memorial service for the late Ward 2 Councillor Joyce Ndlovu has laid bare the rot at the heart of Nelson Chamisa's political project. Chamisa arrived to usher the gathering alongside his ally Amos Chibaya. Gift Osterlos Siziba, who commands a formidable and fiercely loyal base across Bulawayo province, did not attend, an absence that speaks for itself. Outside the venue, supporters aligned to Chibaya and Siziba clashed violently, each camp fighting for regional dominance in a party structure that does not yet formally exist. Police were forced to intervene and at least one opposition member was arrested. This is not an isolated incident. The Chibaya Siziba rivalry was similar since last year's funeral, where both men openly jostled for the spotlight. That today's tension boiled over into a street brawl before the outfit has even been launched confirmed what men already suspected. This is a project built on personal ambition, not shared purpose. Chamisa cannot manage 2 lieutenants in one lodge. Zimbabweans are left to judge what that says about his capacity to manage anything larger. Zvokuzonzi Zimbabwe aivo ndo pandinozoti ini nyaya yake kwese ndakaona zvokuzonzi Zimbabwe is left to judge what that says about his capacity to manage anything larger. Dzatongani nyaya dzechamisa muziswerera bora mukapedzera magoedhana musoro at the end of the day ende kuswera uchipikisa Chamisa kutopedza nguwa bozo unongo wakadhakwa brain cause haana chaari kutadzisa vana veZimbabwe kuita. Vanhu vekupikisa takakuudzai kuti vanhu vekupikisa imimi vanhu vekuti vakabata makeys eupenyu hwenyu, vanhu vari kurowa madecisions izvezvi ari kukukanganisai kuti pari kuitwa chakati or pari kuitwa chakati. Ndo vanhu vanoda kuti nge because munhu ungaswera uchirwa nemunhu wekuti ari kutoda kutokurwirawo, ari kutotraya by all means achivharirwawo panze. That person munofanira kunge muri ku same side. That is kana uri munhu ari ku opposition side. So inini I always tell people vese vari ku opposition, guys, musafe makaita mistake yeku opposana pachenyu, hazvina kwazvo zvinobudisa. Now izvo tarisai kwaane chinhu chechiya nyika yaku ndirimwe engo. But fight utaro ya Gift Osterlos na Amos Chibaya, I'm glad kuti zvakushitanga kubuda zvinhu zvokuti takatombozvi analyze kudhara tikatoti akumagumo kune nyaya varuma nhano dzaakutorwa apa dzichanetsa ende pachapisa. But it's something yekuti hazvina umbonge zviri zvinhu zvokuti taitarisira kuti zvingatorwa serious kana kuti zvingaita nyaya yacho ingaita that serious to the extent yekuti zveso Chamisa akupinda mumeeting na Amos Chibaya achisiya Osterlos or gonna Osterlos ungoti I'm not attending because Chibaya is there. It's something yekuti pari tricky baba paringe pachitonetsa politics zvagara ka musosumuke mese muri 2 ma generals mese ka 1 muchitopisa mese pane 1 mwanenge achita se achiroverwa pasi ndo zvinhu zvine zvingoripo inyaya dzemukempi but dzinoda kuti dzinge zichita se dzichitaurwa. But anyway izvezvi muri yeZimbabwe I don't know kuti ndovhurira inyaya iri panapa iri kutaurike kana kuti ndongosiyana nazvo togumira panapa.
You know my stance is always teaching the resistance. So there are concepts in resistance that they obviously some are big words, but what you have to understand is concepts. I will say the big words because Zimbabwe has intelligent people too. So if you don't get the big word, don't start to get all frazzled. The explanation is what you are meant to get. The other stuff is to indulge the eccentricities of those people who like that. I am also an intellectual. I love big words. But as where you are eliminated because I explain the things as I say. But I have to also enjoy the things that I say. So your consent is manufactured. Consent is when you adhere to the commands of what the oppressor says. And you constantly adhering to those things, what causes you to remain oppressed. Now, the oppressor chooses to use these things because they work to keep you oppressed. Now, this strategy of constantly telling you that your emotions are wrong, certain emotions must not be used, is a strategy that has been used by the colonizer before. It is uncomfortable with the full expression of your emotions so that it doesn't deal with it. That's why you hear people who are always upset about your emotions. They are not interested in finding out what caused you to be upset. They just want you to stop being upset. And that is what an oppressor does. They don't want to resolve your situation. They want you to cope with your situation. Find the strategies. That's why even now, we have a DNA that is used. Ukafura murungu, unongosekerera. Just them looking at you, you laugh, you smile. That's why when they come to Africa and do their poverty porn tourism, they'll go back and say, oh, they are poor, but they are always smiling. It is an attitude we learned. We always do the opposite of how we feel. Only they, Varungu, are allowed to show the full range of emotions so that they can communicate with each other and resolve situations. But we are not allowed to find solutions by communicating. If you are upset, I shouldn't say stop being emotional. I should ask you, why are you upset? Why are you crying? Why are you shouting? That's why kumabasa you hear Varungu asking each other based on their reactions. Oh, Jack, why are you raising your voice? They don't say stop raising your voice. Why? So that they can resolve the issue. But Munumutema was told to caution. Ndicho chinika. That is what house nika does. The house nika is meant to go and control other nikas outside who are expressing emotions as they feel them over their existential crisis. And they will say, stop doing that. So that the master never has to deal with your predicament. And ndicho chatiri kuita chinika. House nika. Now, who are we the house nikas for? We are house nikas to the establishment. You are not meant to show your emotions, but you are in community. When you are in community, Jabba can suddenly feel upset. Ask him, gee, what is the matter? Maybe I have upset him. He should be able to say, when you did this, I don't like it. That's why Vanaveva Rungu are constantly saying, I don't like this because. So they have their situations dealt with. Is this what we have to carry emotions pakati petu inside of ourselves? You are hungry. But when the white people come on holiday, you're smiling. And they go away saying, I'm not gonna cope with their hunger. That's why even when they raise money, they say $1 can sustain a child. Because you have shown resilience. Resilience to what? Namo, we are a community that has been taught to say cope with it, change the emotion that is naturally being God put it there. It is very sensitive to everything so that it can solicit from your community what should resolve it. So Musa Tereri, your oppressor, constantly telling you, don't do. And emotion is one thing they always want to control. That's why in Zimbabwe, when the first sewage pipe burst, it is tanga ku trickler. We are able to walk through it until it gets bigger and bigger because constantly we are changing our emotions. Murungu, ngaingo start to smell. Isati ya dabuka. Their nose are twitching all the time. They are constantly too. Someone must react to it. Paino dabuka, it's too late. They are angry. But isusu kusika munu awira. And when we go to retrieve them, there are 4 people that went in there. There was not even a missing person poster. Kumutswaga.